Hi dear students, good morning to all. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Okay, are you ready for our grammar class? Okay, very good. All of you take your textbook. Take page number 48. I hope all of you understand our previous class. Okay, very good. Today we are going to discuss our 11th chapter, past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Did you have heard about this? Did you heard about this grammar part? Past continuous tense. Okay, then all of you look at your book. We use past continuous tense to talk about an action that was going on or continuing at a particular point in time in the past. We use past continuous tense to talk about an action. Talk about an action. ഒരാൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന പ്രവൃത്തി ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ past continuous ഉപയോഗിക്കും. That was going on or continue at a particular time point in time in the past. എന്താണ് ഒരാൾ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന പ്രവൃത്തി ഇപ്പോഴും ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക. Continuing a particular point of time. It's a point continuing a particular point of time in the past. That is called the past continuous tense. Okay. എന്താണ് they were, for example, I am bathing. I was watching a movie. I was watching a movie. Here, they were studying in the room at 5 o'clock. They were studying in their room at 5 o'clock. എന്താണ് 5 o'clock വരെ പഠിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നു. That then second example, Neha was going for a walk every day of the last week. ഈ ലാസ്റ്റ് വീക്കിൽ എന്താണ് നേഹ വാസ് ഗോയിങ് ഫോർ എ വാക്ക് എവറി ഡേ. എല്ലാ ദിവസവും നടക്കാൻ പോകാറുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഓക്കെ, ഹിയർ എന്താണ് ഹി വാസ് എ talk about an action and that was going on. That was going on. നടന്നുകൊണ്ടേ ഇരിക്കുന്നു. Or continuing a particular point in a time in the past. That is called past continuous tense. Okay, and then we use past continuous tense to talk about an action that was continuing at a particular point in time in the past when another action happened. When another action happened. I was working in my office when the building caught fire. The children were playing outside when there was an earthquake. The children was playing outside when there was an earthquake. Then forming the verb past continuous. What is the forming format of past continuous tense? Yes, was or verb plus V1 plus ing. It's a forming format of past continuous tense. This is very important. All of you study these forming formats, then only easily can answer the questions. Okay, was or verb plus V1 plus ing. Here we use past continuous tense by forming the past tense of verb be, was or verb, and the ing for the main verb. Here, example, I was eating my food. I was eating my food when my brother rushed in the room. Second, he was writing a letter when his mother knocked the door. എൻ്റെ അമ്മ എൻ്റെ വാതിൽ മുട്ടിപ്പോൾ എന്താണ് he was writing a letter. Then third example, she was shouting at the stranger when we arrived. She was shouting. എന്താണ് എ സ്ട്രേഞ്ചർ, ഒരു അറിയാത്ത ആൾ വീട്ടിലേക്ക് വന്നപ്പോൾ അവൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? അലറി. ഷി വാസ് ഷൗട്ടിങ് അറ്റ് ദ സ്ട്രേഞ്ചർ വെൻ വി അറൈവ്. ദെൻ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, ഇറ്റ് വാസ് ബാർക്കിംഗ് വെൻ ഐ വെന്റ് ഔട്ട് ദി ഗാർഡൻ. Ishta was making her chart yesterday when Rohini reached home. Then we were listening to the breaking news when we heard a loud sound outside. Next example, you were sleeping when Aunt Vinita left. And Vinita പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ് അവൾ ഉറങ്ങി. You were sleeping when Aunt Vinita left. They were studying in the room when the bell rang. The animals were hiding the cave and hunters came near. Then, exercise part, fill in the blanks with the past continuous form of verbs in brackets one has done for you. Here, in brackets, cycle, that's a verb. Okay, then, what is the forming format of past continuous tense? Yes, was or verb plus V1 plus ing. Okay, understand? Yeah, example one has done for you. I was cycling when it was raining. I was cycling when it was raining. Then another example. Then second one. What's the answer here? Second one. Yes, we dash paint. Paint is the verb here. Paint in the arts and craft room at 1 o'clock. What is the answer? What is the answer? Before that, all of you look at here. In was we use mainly singular form. Then here verb mainly used plural form. Plural nouns. Okay. Here this we is plural here. Then that's why we use were. Yes, we were painter. Paint is the verb here. Then we are adding ing. Then painting. That is the answer. Okay. And then third one. The children dash play in the park when I saw them. The children were playing. The children were playing. Then fourth one. At noon, Payal and Rashi dash enjoy sitting in the sun. At noon, Payal and Rashi dash enjoy sitting in the sun. Then fifth one. Dash cut the ribbon when the teacher entered the room. Then sixth one. My mother dash in bracket write a letter to the municipal corporation when she heard about the incident. Then 4, 5, 6, that is homework. All of you find out the answer yourself. Okay. Then exercise number B. Rewrite this sentence correctly by using the past continuous tense one has done for you. Past continuous tense. Here, first one. My brother repaired the car at 6 o'clock yesterday when his friend arrived. What is the answer? My brother repaired, changed to repairing. What is the forming format? Was or verb plus ing. Okay, here my brother was repairing the car at 6 o'clock yesterday when his friend arrived. Second one, the birds chirp when the dog barked at them. The birds is one more is a plural form. Then that's why we use the birds were. Second answer, the birds were chirping when the dog barked at them. All of you take your pencil and write down your answer in your textbook. Okay. Then third one. Meha slept when her friends came. Meha, what is the answer? Meha was sleeping when her friends cave. Meghan was sleeping when her friends came. Okay. And then fourth one, the wind blew hard when the storm started. Wind blew hard when the storm started. Then fifth one, the cat chased the mouse when I opened the door. Then Charu sang melodiously when the jets entered the hall. Here 4, 5, 6, 3. Last 3. All of you find out the answer yourself. Okay. Then next look at the page number 50. Exercise number C. Last evening, your family and you were doing different activities. Complete the passage to describe what each one of you was doing 7 o'clock yesterday. Use the past continuous tense one has been done for you. Here, last evening your family and you were doing different activities. Complete the passage to describe what each one of you was doing 7 o'clock yesterday. Use past continuous tense. Was or verb plus ing. Okay. Here, my one has done for you. My mother was reading a book while my father was working on his computer. Then younger brother was watching. Okay, was watching a film while my elder sister was dash with our pup. Playing with our pup. My elder brother and were cleaning. First one, father was working. Second one, was working. Third one, was watching. Fourth one, was playing. Then next one, my elder brother and I dash cupboards while my grandmother dashed to music. All of you find out the answer yourself. Okay. Then exercise number D. Rewrite this sentence correctly by using the past continuous tense. One has done for you. Okay. Yeah. First one. It was rain heavily. So I stayed at home all day. It was, what is the answer? It was raining. All of you remember the past continuous tense forming format. Was or verb plus V1 plus ing. Here it was raining. Rain changed to raining heavily. So I stayed at home all day. Then second one. My father read the newspaper when I woke up. What is the answer? Second one answer. All of you say the answer. My father was read. Change into reading. Reading the newspaper when I woke up. Then third one, Harish is slept when we reached his house. Harish was sleeping. Harish was sleeping. Harish was sleeping. Sleeping when we reached his house. Then fourth one. What is the answer of fourth one? I watched television when my mother came home. I was watching television. I was watching television. Watching television when my mother came home. Okay. Then fifth one. He was doing his work when Sumit came to call him. Then sixth one. I is washing the clothes while my brother was cleaning the bicycle at 5 o'clock yesterday. All of you find out the answer yourself. Okay, I hope all of you understand this past continuous tense 11th chapter. What is past continuous tense? Yes, past continuous tense to talk about an action that was going or continuing at a particular point in time in the past. That is called a past continuous tense. What's the forming format? Yes, was or verb plus ing. Okay, all of you remember and all of you studied that forming format. Okay, and then next we are going to discuss our 12th chapter. What is the 12th chapter? Simple future tense. Simple future tense. Simple future tense. Okay. We use the simple future tense for action that will take place in the time to come, that is in the future. Okay. Then a simple future tense for action that will take place in the time to come. എന്താണ് വരാൻ പോകുന്ന എന്തോ അത് നമ്മൾ സിമ്പിൾ ഫ്യൂച്ചർ ടെൻസ് ദാറ്റ് ഇൻ ദ ഫ്യൂച്ചർ എന്താണ് നമ്മൾ ഒരു സംഭവം ചെയ്ത് ഒരു സെക്കൻഡ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ് അത് ഒരു സെക്കൻഡ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ് ഫ്യൂച്ചർ അല്ലേ എന്താണ് വരാൻ പോകുന്ന ഓരോ കാര്യങ്ങൾ അതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്താ സിമ്പിൾ ഫ്യൂച്ചർ ടെൻസ് വരാൻ പോകുന്ന എന്തോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് സിമ്പിൾ ഫ്യൂച്ചർ ടെൻസ് that will take place in the time to come, in the time to come, that is in the future. എന്താണ് ഭാവിയിൽ വരാൻ പോകുന്ന എന്തോ ഓക്കെ എക്സാമ്പിൾ റീഡ് ദിസ് സെൻറ്റൻസ് I shall complete my project this week. I shall complete my project this week. ഞാൻ ഈ ആഴ്ച എൻ്റെ പ്രൊജക്റ്റ് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആക്കും. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് എന്താണ് കമ്മിങ് ഇൻ ദ ഫ്യൂച്ചർ. ഇറ്റ്സ് ഇൻ ദ ഫ്യൂച്ചർ. Then second example, we shall go to see the doctor next week. We shall go to see the doctor next week. ഞാൻ അടുത്ത ആഴ്ച ഡോക്ടറെ കാണാൻ പോകും. That is action is to come or that is in the future. Then third example, my father will come back from his tour tomorrow. The fourth one, the birds will drink this water in the morning. All these sentences tells us about action that will take place in the future. We often use words such as എന്താണ് ഫ്യൂച്ചറിൽ നടക്കാൻ പോകുന്നതിന് നമ്മൾ കുറച്ച് വേർഡ്സ് will take place in future. We use words such as tomorrow, this week, next week, this month, next month and next year will simple future tense. Okay. in simple future tense, when we use words such as yesterday, tomorrow, this week, next week, this month, next year, with the simple future tense. Read this sentence. We shall move. Okay. We shall move into our new house next week. Then Deepak will teach me how to drive a car next week. Forming the verb in simple future tense. To form the simple future tense, we use shall or will to root base form of the verb. Shall or will plus V1. Okay, root base form of the verb. We use shall with I and we, then will with he, she, it, you, they. Here singular and plural nouns. Shall, I and we. Then he, she, it, you, they. Sometimes use will with I and we instead of shall, I will. We will. ചില സമയത്ത് sometimes we use will with the I. ചില സമയത്ത് നമ്മൾ I will എന്താണ് instead of shall പകരം will നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കാറുണ്ട്. Read this sentence. I shall take my dog for a walk in the evening. Second example, we shall play in the park tomorrow. He will have his test in the coming week. We will use several props in the play. Then it will bark if a stranger comes to house. Then next you will deliver this parcel to the office tomorrow. They will come home for the summer vacation in May. Suresh will read this story to his sister tonight. Mahesh and Karuna will play football on Sunday. Exercise. Fill in the blanks with a simple future tense for the words in brackets one has done for you. First one, Ramesh and Gopal dash in verb eat these fruits later. Ramesh and Gopal will eat these fruits later. Then second one, the plants dash die if we don't water them regular. Will die. Will die. Second one answer. Will die. Third one, we dash to the hills next week. We shall drive. We shall drive. We shall drive. Then fourth one, Aisha dash decorate the hall for the feast. Aisha will decorate. Will decorate. Then 5 and 6 is the homework. Okay. Then rewrite this sentence using the simple future tense one has done for you. We play in the ground on Friday. We shall play in the ground on Friday. Then second one, my father go to his office at 8 a.m. My father will go to. Okay. Now change the verb. Okay. My father will go to his office at 8 a.m. Third one, she practiced a lot before the performance. She will practice, not practiced. Practice a lot. Practice a lot. Then for it rained heavily in August. It will rain heavily in August. Then 5 and 6, that is homework. Then fill in the blanks with the simple future tense verbs in the bracket. Complete the story one has done for you. This Saturday, our school team will play a cricket match with the neighboring school's team. From our class, Mohan, Sandeep and Harish dash bat. Mohan, Sandeep and Harish will bat. It dash be. It will be an exciting match and all of us. That is, all of you read the story, then all of you find out the answers. It's simple using the correct simple future tense. Okay. And that's a homework. I hope all of you understand what is simple future tense. Simple future tense for actions that will take place in the time to come or in the future. That is called simple future tense. Simple future tense shall or will. V1 plus V1. Shall we use I and we, will, he, she, it, you, they. In some cases, will with I, we instead of shall. I will, we will. Okay, I hope all of you understand this 12th lesson. If you have any doubts in these two chapters, please ask me. Okay, let's wind up our today's class. Thank you.